Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE in silicon silver. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in November 2021. You have 20-inch gloss black alloys along with a black contrasting roof, giving the car a sporty exterior. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And you can see you've got plenty of space there in the boot, and can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round and towards the front, you also have keyless entry, so I can tap here to lock the car and the same to unlock the vehicle as long as the key's nearby. Our dynamic tread plates and a lovely two-tone leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, but also really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just for some fresh air. You have heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. And these seats are also massage, which ensures every journey is relaxing. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really makes parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks really effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You have controls on your wheel, including speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. And you do also have blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. And you can also adjust the positioning, the brightness, or the content that you would like to see in front of you, depending on your own preference. And this car's done 5,818 miles. Finally, a clear sight interior rear view mirror that's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Evoque. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.